Import.csv data into Excel worksheet. Click Target Cell, followed by Menu Item Data, Get External Data, then from Text. Select Source File, then click Import button. Select Delimited, and check My Data has headers, if appropriate, then click Next. Select Comma as the delimiter, then click the Next button. A preview window presents data in the columns that will be created. I'll accept the default separation and click Finish. I'll place the data in the current worksheet in cell A1, I will check Add to the Data Model, although not necessary, click OK. Create query connection to external Excel file. Create query connection by clicking Menu Item Data, New Query, from File, from Workbook, then select Workbook followed by clicking Import button. Select the worksheet in the external workbook, then click on Load button, bottom of the screen. Notice that a new table was created with the query. In this case the table and query are named suppliers. Manage query connection, path to data, edit and delete connection. I'll begin by looking at the path to the data sources in the current workbook. Click Data, New Query, Data Source Settings and you will see the path to your data sources. You could click the Change Source button to select a different workbook. You should refresh the connection if you think the external data has changed. Click Menu Item Data, followed by Connections, select the target connection, then click Properties to edit the connection. Click the Definition tab, you can change the worksheet source by changing the command text. Finally, you can delete the connection, by selecting the connection from the list and clicking the Remove button, followed by OK, then Close.